Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am so excited for today's deep dive because we're tackling AI for small businesses.
AI.
Yeah,
That's a hot topic right now.
it is. And we're going to cut through all the hype and look at how it can actually help you grow.
Yeah.
So whether you're running a business already freelancing or even just dreaming up your next big startup idea, this is for you.
I think it's especially relevant now with the pace of change in technology. It's just relentless. It's easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch up.
Totally. And imagine if you had a tool that could help you build a whole online business in just 30 minutes.
Wow.
Now, we're not saying you should actually do that. It's more of a thought experiment, just to show the raw power that AI is bringing to the table.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's see what AI can do.
Okay, so let's get specific. Let's say we're starting a business around martial arts gyms. We'll use that as our example as we go through this deep dive.
Okay, sounds good.
First things first,
Mm.
we need to find our niche. Even if you already have a business going, this is so important. It's about finding that sweet spot where you can really shine and make the most impact.
Make your mark.
Exactly. And guess what? AI can actually help us with this by asking some really insightful questions.
Oh, really? What kind of question?
Is there even a need for this in the market? Can we do something different from everyone else? Stand out.
Right.
Does this play to our strengths? And is there room for growth down the line? These are questions every entrepreneur should be asking themselves.
For sure.
And AI can help guide us through that.
So it's like AI is kind of our brainstorming partner.
Exactly. It's like having a super smart advisor in your corner.
I like that. Okay, so for our martial arts gym idea, did the AI give this a thumbs up or thumbs down?
It actually gave it a thumbs up.
Cool.
It took into account a few things like my personal interest in martial arts, the growing demand for fitness, and self-defense training.
That makes sense.
And this is crucial, the fact that gym owners face some common pain points.
What?
Well, big ones were member retention,
Oh.
marketing, and revenue.
Got it. So lots of gyms struggle to keep their members coming back, attract new students, and ultimately boost their profits.
That's exactly it.
So we've got our niche. We know what's keeping gym owners up at night. How does AI help us build a business around this?
This is where things get even more interesting. AI can help us craft the perfect offer to address those pain points. For example, it suggested looking at trending sub-niches within the martial arts world, like hybrid fitness programs that combine martial arts with things like yoga or Tai Chi,
Interesting.
to make sure these ideas actually have legs. AI recommends using tools like Google Trends
Right.
that shows us how often people are searching for specific terms and answer the public, which reveals the questions that people are asking online.
So we're getting data, not just guessing.
Exactly. We're backing up those ideas with real evidence,
I like that.
but it doesn't stop there. AI also recommended building a detailed profile of our ideal customer.
Oh, really?
Think about their demographics,
Okay.
their goals, their fears, even what kind of content they prefer.
That's smart.
This gives us a really clear picture of who we're serving and how to tailor our offerings.
Understanding your target audience is like marketing 101, right?
Exactly. It's the foundation.
It's the foundation.
But now hold on to your hats because here comes the really fun part. The AI actually generated a bunch of different B2B offers for our martial arts gym niche.
No way.
We're talking AI-powered member retention software,
Wow.
a tool for optimizing class schedules, AI-generated marketing content, a system for capturing and qualifying leads,
That's a lot.
even an AI-powered chatbot for customer support.
That's a whole arsenal of solutions.
I know, it's like AI thought of everything.
So AI is covering all the bases.
It really is. And it's not just throwing out random ideas.
Yeah.
The AI actually explains why each solution matters,
Okay.
how it solves those pain points we talked about.
Mhm.
And it even provides data to back up its suggestions.
Okay. I'm impressed. So with all those options, which one did the AI flag as the most promising?
Out of all those great ideas, the AI pointed to member retention software as the real game changer.
Okay, member retention.
Yeah, and get this, it even suggested a tiered pricing structure to fit gyms of different sizes.
Interesting.
A starter plan for small gyms, a pro plan for bigger ones, and even a custom enterprise plan. This isn't just about building a product, it's about creating a whole business model around it.
That's amazing. So from finding our niche to developing the product and even pricing it, AI has laid the groundwork for our martial arts business. I'm starting to see why you were so excited about this deep dive.
I told you it's pretty mind-blowing.
What's next?
Well, now that we have a product, we need to give it a personality, right?
Branding.
Is key.
Yeah.
And you guessed it, AI can help with that too. We'll dive into that in the next part of our deep dive. If you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button and share this with a friend who could use a little AI boost in their business.
Yeah, spread the love.
We'll be back in a flash to tackle branding.
Welcome back. It's amazing to see how much we've already accomplished with AI's help.
Right. It's like having a secret weapon.
From pinpointing a profitable niche to developing a product and even figuring out pricing.
It's mind-blowing.
It's like having a virtual business consultant working for us 24/7.
Totally. But we're not done yet. Now that we have this awesome member retention software,
Yeah.
we need to give it a personality. We need to brand it.
Branding is so important,
It's how you stand out. It's how people remember you,
especially in the online world.
especially in the online world.
Yeah.
It's not enough to just have a great product.
Right.
You need to create a memorable experience for your customers.
You need to connect with them on an emotional level.
Exactly. And AI can help us tap into that creative side too.
Really?
Yeah, it's not just about data and algorithms. It can actually get those creative juices flowing.
Okay, I'm curious. What did it come up with for branding?
Prepare to be amazed. First up, brand names. The AI suggested Dojo Flow, Guardian Dojo, and Sensei Edge.
Those are pretty good. I like Sensei Edge. It sounds sophisticated.
Right. It sounds like it knows what it's doing.
Yeah, and it conveys a sense of expertise.
And it's perfect for our target audience.
Right, gym owners.
Exactly. And get this, it even came up with a tagline. Stop member cancellations. AI does the work for you. Start for free.
I love that tagline.
It's catchy, right?
Yeah, it highlights the problem and offers a solution.
And the start for free part is a great way to get people to try it out.
Totally lowers the barrier to entry.
Exactly.
Ah.
And it didn't stop there. It also gave us guidance on crafting a mission statement.
Oh, nice.
You know, the big why behind your business.
The heart of it.
Exactly. And it even gave us tips on creating a visual identity, like a logo.
So we're talking about the look and feel of the brand.
Exactly. And here's another cool thing. It even suggested using free AI-powered design tools to create the logo.
So even if you're not a designer, you can still have a professional-looking brand.
Exactly. It's like having a whole team of experts at your fingertips.
Without the hefty price tag.
Exactly. So we've got our niche, our offer, our branding. What's next?
Is it marketing?
Marketing. You need to get the word out, spread the message, and attract those customers. And guess what? AI has a plan for that too.
Of course it does.
It created a 30-day marketing plan based on this cool concept called the Rule of 100. Basically, it's all about taking consistent action every single day.
Okay. It's like planting seeds.
Exactly. You plant those seeds, you nurture them, and eventually they'll grow into beautiful revenue-generating flowers.
I like that analogy. So what kind of actions are we talking about? Is it like cold calling, door-to-door sales? I'm not really into pushy tactics.
Don't worry. This is all about being smart and targeted. It's not about being aggressive at all. The AI suggests things like using free tools to find potential clients' emails.
Okay.
This is called lead scraping. And then you send them short, personalized emails that highlight the problem they're facing and how our software can help.
Okay. So we're providing value, not just pitching.
Exactly. It also recommends optimizing your LinkedIn profile to attract the right audience and creating content that showcases your expertise.
So it's all about building relationships and establishing credibility.
Exactly. And then in weeks 2 and 3, the focus shifts to following up with those leads and building even more credibility. This means sharing testimonials from happy customers.
Social proof.
Exactly. Showing off case studies that demonstrate how effective the software is
Yeah.
and really positioning yourself as that trusted authority.
Okay, I like that. Building trust is so important, especially online.
Absolutely. And then in week 4, it's all about closing those deals and turning those leads into paying customers.
Okay, show me the money.
Exactly. The AI even recommended specific platforms for targeting those clients.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
LinkedIn groups where gym owners hang out, Facebook groups for industry discussions, and Instagram for reaching a wider audience using relevant hashtags.
So it's all about being strategic.
Exactly. It's about knowing where your audience is and how to reach them.
Makes sense.
And there's more. It even crafted a 5-step email sequence,
Oh.
a series of emails designed to gently guide those leads toward becoming customers. These emails are short, sweet, and focused on solving problems with a clear call to action in each one.
It's like a roadmap to success.
Exactly. It even gave us examples of subject lines and email copy.
So we don't have to start from scratch.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And to make things even easier, it suggested using free tools to automate tasks like finding those emails, scheduling them to go out at the right time, and even managing all your leads and customer interactions.
So it's all about working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. If you're loving these AI hacks, don't forget to like this episode and share it with your network.
Yeah, spread the word.
They'll thank you later.
Yeah.
In the final part of our deep dive, we'll wrap things up with some key takeaways and a thought-provoking question to ponder as we navigate this exciting new world of AI for business.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Welcome back to the final part of our AI-powered deep dive. Wow, we covered a ton of ground today.
We did!
From finding that profitable niche
Yeah.
to crafting amazing offers, building
Yeah.
a brand that really pops,
Mhm.
and even mapping out a complete marketing plan. I'm exhausted just thinking about it.
Me too. It's been an incredible journey, though. Even for someone like me who's been in the business world for a while, it's eye-opening to see how AI is changing the game.
I know, right? It's like this secret weapon that can streamline and optimize so many parts of building and running a business. So let's do a quick recap of the key takeaways. First, AI is amazing at finding those golden opportunities and validating your ideas.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like having a data-driven crystal ball that can tell you what's hot in the market right now, what customers really want. And it can even spark those creative solutions that you might never have thought of on your own.
Totally. Next, AI can help us create offers that really hit the mark, addressing those pain points that keep our customers up at night.
Yeah, it's not about just throwing things out there and hoping something sticks. AI can actually provide insights backed by real data to guide your decisions on everything from features to pricing.
Third takeaway, AI is a branding and messaging superstar. It can help us create a brand that really connects with our ideal customer and cuts through all that noise out there.
It's incredible how AI can come up with catchy brand names, compelling taglines, and even guide us on creating a visual identity that really captures the essence of our brand.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And last but not least, AI can help us craft that comprehensive marketing plan, complete with tactile advice on how to reach the right people,
Yeah.
create engaging content, and even automate our outreach. It's like having a personal marketing guru on speed dial.
I know,
Right.
right? So we've seen how AI can help us find our niche, build a product that solves problems, create a brand that stands out, and market it effectively. It's a lot.
It is. So as we wrap up this deep dive, what's your final thought for our listeners?
You know, AI is a powerful tool that can help us level up our businesses in ways we never imagined. But as with any tool, it's important to use it wisely and ethically. We need to remember that AI is here to help us, not replace us. The magic really happens when we combine human ingenuity with the power of AI.
I love that. So true. Thanks for joining us on this exciting exploration of AI for small businesses. We hope you found it valuable and inspiring. If you did, hit that like button and share this deep dive with your entrepreneurial friends. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventure into the world of AI. Until then, keep innovating and stay curious.